we're going to talk about personal equipment in camping. So first of all, one of the most important pieces of equipment you need is a sleeping bag. It can help preserve your body heat when you're sleeping, because when you're in the tent and sleeping, it can get really cold at night. There usually is a temperature indicator here, but as my sleeping bag's been used for many years, it's already faded. So the temperature indicator indicates what temperature that the sleeping bag's good at. So if it's below the temperature, then your sleeping bag probably won't work and you feel really cold. But if it's above the temperature, it should still be fine. So this is a camping mattress. This is optional to bring on the camp, so it provides additional comfort for when you're sleeping. Since, as you can see, this is quite thick, so it'll serve as a mattress for you to sleep on. Now, if there are toilets or bathrooms, you might get the chance to shower in the camp. So you need your toothbrush, your toothpaste, and some soap. You also need a bathing towel to wipe yourself dry, as well as some shower slippers, because usually these showers are quite dirty. Now, because your shower slippers are going to get wet, you should also bring a plastic bag to contain them in, so that when you're finished showering, your whole bag won't get wet when you're packing the slippers. Another piece of equipment that you need is your eating utensils. So this is the eating utensil that's, I suppose it's designed for camping, since as you can see, you can expand it so that it can contain more food, but you can also reduce it when you finish your food, so that it can take up less space in your camp bag. You should also bring a spoon, a fork, and maybe some nice superstronic stuff. Now you also need a water bottle, obviously, since you're going camping. I'll suggest a liter or more, and if there's no water refill station at the campsite, you might need to bring 2 liters depending on how long you're camping. And finally, a whistle. A whistle allows you to call for help whenever it's necessary. I cover some distress signals in the hiking level 1 tutorials, so you should go check those out as well. Now, considering that you're going on a camp, you probably need a camp bag. So this is the one that I'm using. It contains 55 liters, which is actually quite small. I'll suggest buying a camp bag that's around 60 liters, as you also have to carry some group equipment and food.